Spoken Rights by LLC. Why it matters. Yes, the wails of existence, the wails of nature, I call it. I whispered into the dump. What else do you expect but lots of notes? To their very itching ears, the wail of existence it cried, and this is why it matters. That one might let to live, though seen with glaring, gloomy eyes, nothing about his nature, the shade it offers on a lonely road. When thy feet cried weary on reaching its spot, the life regained as if you were gripped close to death, but refreshed by his offer of relief and fresh air. The beauty of his genuine structures acquainted with glamoring is utilized by same you, yes you, of ignorant shadow, oh, who crave for his destruction benevolently, maybe for his little supply to thy den, unwillingly, nor blocking thy paths, through which you always have to pass. Neither does it come to mind for it to be groomed. What more could it be craving for but care? A need to be seen of everything being so important, being of importance that very nature needs of its caretaker, because the necessities of his existence overlooked, could be said, yes, is the most very reason why it does and really matters. Yes, the reason why it matters. Thank you. It's LOC again.